Here's how our garden grid watering systems assemble. All of our garden grid watering systems come in pre-assembled sections that you simply press together by hand. They also include our water feed tube, which you attach to your garden hose, and they include a riser tube, which you'll only need to use if your garden soil is below the top of your raised garden bed. So this is our 2x5 garden grid watering system. It comes in two sections, and of course the water feed tube and riser tube that I just showed you a second ago. All you need to do is take the open tube and push and wiggle it onto the brown fitting like so. You repeat that for the other tubes until you have a complete garden grid. There you go, 2x5 garden grid. Now, if you're using the garden grid at ground level or your raised garden bed is filled to the very top, all you need to do now is connect the water feed tube to the brown fitting sticking out from the side of your garden grid. You just simply push and wiggle it onto there like you did with the other sections, connect your garden hose, and you're ready to go. But for us, I'm going to be using the riser tube that comes with the garden grid because our raised garden bed soil is not filled to the very top. So to use the riser tube, all you need to do is lay the garden grid in your garden and pivot that brown fitting that would otherwise connect to your water feed tube upwards. Then take the riser tube, trim it to the height that you need, attach it to that fitting that's sticking upward, and then attach your water feed tube to the fitting of the riser tube. Now attach your garden hose to the hose swivel on the water feed tube, or if you're using our manifold, attach the water feed tube to your manifold and turn on your water.